If you have small hooded monolid eyes like I do, and you want to find a quick and easy way to lift your eyes with minimal effort to get from this to this, then keep on watching. First things first, I've already primed my eyelids with this Nars eyeshadow primer, and I just put a very light dusting of taupe light brown eyeshadow on. Now for our really hooded eyelids here, there's a lot of excess skin, and when you open your eyes, you see how our lash line just completely disappears. So the best bet is using a liquid eyeliner, or I've tried really budge-proof gel pencils too. Some of them work, some of them don't, but from my experience, liquid liner has been the best for me. So I'm not going to do a winged liner because that's just going to take way too much time. And you notice how I tilt my head and I lift the hood of my eyes so that I can see my lash line. We're going to line right above the lash line. Tilt your pen more sideways when you want to go this way, and then when you get to the really small areas, change it from this side to this side to make it pointy so you can get to the smaller areas. You get something like that. Okay, now I'm going to be using these lashes, and I noticed that spikier lashes tend to look better on really hooded eyes, or hooded eyes in general, because you can see the individual lashes better. And these are a little longer as in this way, so that it is visible when I open my eyes fully and it doesn't disappear under the hood. I'm going to use my duo lash glue, the blue one. I'm going to apply the glue right to the lash band, like that, and then wait for a few seconds for it to get slightly tacky. Okay, and then again, tilt your head back, and then holding these lashes, line it to your eyes. Make sure you feel it touching your eyelid when you place it on. I know that applying false lashes can be challenging, but it is so worth it. You just need to keep practicing. Push that in and then press the lash band in to make sure it's stay put. And you see that? Wow, instant lift, so easy. My eyes are lifted. I don't have to bother with the wing. Now let's do the other eye. Lifting, you see I lifted my eyebrows like this so we can see our lash line. Lining this up. Once you line it up, press it inward so that it touches your eyelid. And there we go. And this is what we have. What do you think? Let me know if you give this a try, and good luck. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one.